Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a label chat in WhatsApp Business. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp Business app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the inbox of your WhatsApp Business, and to label it or label chat, you can simply tap on anyone's message icon like this. Then you will see the option of like arrow, which is available on the bottom side of your screen, top screen. So tap here, then you can see the option of label chat and write a label name. So I am typing SCRC. So tap on right icon, which is available on the bottom side of your screen on green color. So tap here. Now see. Then tap on save icon. Now SCRC is successfully set on label chat, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.